what to use your courgettes for. Okay, you fry the courgettes, dice them like that with the rings, and a little bit bigger than finger is ideal, or bigger is even it is better. Even you will have more. You fry them like sausages, and then you add the egg and fry the eggs with the things. After those ones are fried, because they take a little bit longer, slightly longer. Then you add this, and then that's it, ready. For extra flavor, I mean, if you want salt, when you are cutting your courgette, you put a little salt in it so it absorbs the water from them and makes the courgette a little relaxed. So it cooks better, it gives a flavor. They are divine when you eat it like that. So that's my suggestion for using your courgette. And it's very quick and easy. In 10 minutes, you will have your food probably. If you want longer, 15 minutes. And when one side is, fried, you turn them over. This is called Varagheh in Persian, means pages or rings. And I learned it from my mom, and bless her, that was the way she used to give us the courgette with some eggs. Lovely food. The smell of it is divine, I'm telling you. You have to try this. And this side, I don't let it completely fry, because this will be fried with the eggs. So I'm just going to add the eggs. And look, I let the oil to, come almost to the point of boiling. The 6, the highest. So the oil is really hot and easily, fries the material you put in it. That's simple as that. You can add whatever you like, but it has salt already. And if you want, you can add pepper. That's simple. Keep it simple. I don't like innovation too much in the food, because that just makes it, something strange. The flavors will, change. Okay, this is almost ready. From time to time, if you feel that there is some soft parts, you can just wiggle it around. Let the heat reach those parts. With this fork right there. Forks are really dangerous. I just find the only good use of them is for picking the courgettes, or if you want sausages. I think that's ready. So, I've turned off the oven, the hob, and now I'm going to plate it. I left it there just for a while. You can remove it immediately if you think that is well cooked. Just a little bit with the low heat as the heat is decreasing, it just makes it nice and comfy. So I'm putting this in this plate, and see how it will look. And that is ready. I turned it over, and you can eat it now. Let's just taste it. Yeah, let's taste it. Oh. Oh. The courgette is so yummy. And you can feel the taste of the egg. And the salt I added was enough. So it's really yummy. Oh, what a beautiful thing. You can eat it as it is, or put it in a sandwich as a filling, or whatever, eat it with a little bit yogurt. With rice will be nice. But the best way is to eat it with probably bread and rice if you have. Either way, just enjoy.